Hello everyone, and this coming week we are going to be learning all about counting forwards and backwards to 100 in our maths lessons. Last week I showed you on the PowerPoint the 100 square, so we're going to be using a lot of that this week also. Just to quickly recap, it goes across 1 over to 10 and the rows across and then the rows going down. It is adding on in tens the whole way to 100. Okay, so you can show the children and they can see the patterns that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you can see that it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's going down in tens all the time. So the first task that the children are going to have is going to be counting in twos. So they can use their 100 square to have them also. So if they know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is all counting in twos, they should have no problem with counting on in twos with all the other numbers. So we have here 66. So adding on 2, 68, another 2, 70, 72, 74. They have to find out what the missing number is, 76, and then we have 78. So it's just practicing counting on in twos. The next thing that children will be learning about is counting on in fives and in threes. So they have to complete the number patterns. So they can see here that it is 65. So a lot of the teachers have been practicing with the children counting in fives every day in class and counting in tens and twos and threes. So they should be very much aware of how to count in fives. So we have 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 100. Now we are going to be counting in threes. So we have 51, add 3, 54. 54 add 3, 57, 57 add 3, 60, 60 add 3, 63, 63 add 3, 66, and 66 add 3, you have 69, and 69 add 3, you have 70, 71, and 72. Okay, so the next slide I'm going to show you is making number patterns. So the children will be all given the 100 squares, I said, and this will be all to be able to help them. So the first one is 1 more than 29, okay, so it has to be bigger than 29. So we would find 29 on our 100 square, and we just add 1 more, and the answer is 30. Then B, 1 less than 60, so we find 60, and we just do 1 less than 60, 59. 2 more than 36, so I find 36 again, and I count on 2, so 1, 2, and my answer is 38. 2 less than 66, I go to 66, and I go to 2 less, so going backwards, 1, 2, and then 64. 10 more than 40, so I would find 40, and I just add 10 onwards, and it is 50. And then 10 less than 80, so I find 80 here, and then I go backwards on the 100 square because it's less, and it is 70. Now, adding on in twos and tens, okay? So, we have 59 add 2, 61, 61 add 2, 63, 63 add 2, it is 65, 67, 69, 71. So it's all the time they can use the 100 square. So if I find 59 here, I can count on 2. So 1, 2. Then I have 61. I add on another 2. 1, 2. 63. 1, 2. So it's all the time using the 100 square to help. And then counting in tens, we're going backward this time. So we start at 90, go back 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. And then they go back again, 20. So it's just teaching the children going down is more and going back is less. Okay, and then we have another little challenge for the children. So they have to find 18 and they add on 3. So 18, 19, 20, 21. So they put on 21 here in the box. 3 less than 90 is 87. Then we have 5 more than 55, so 55 plus 5 is 60. Then they have to do 5 less than 73, so you can go back, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68. So they put 68 here. And then 87 plus 5, so 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. And then 5 less than 49, so then go back, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44. Okay, so it's all the time, as I said, using the 100 square going backwards. Then we have a few challenge questions for the children. Jess thinks that if she continues counting in twos, she will say the number 49. Do you agree? And then the children have to explain why. So Jess is counting in twos. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. So we have to kind of figure out, is she going to land on 49? And the answer is no, because she is adding up in even numbers, and 49 is an odd number. So there is no way that she is going to get to 49 if she is counting in even numbers. So this is what you would be explaining to the children, odd and even numbers. So again, I hope this has helped, and this is exactly what we're going to be teaching next week. So thank you all very much, and goodbye.